I'm here to give you my workout stretch routine. I like to do this before I go to bed. I'm someone who has trouble sleeping, and so I like to do this small routine to get myself in a nice, relaxed mood and feeling like I've kind of worn myself out a little bit. It's really easy to stay stuck in your thoughts before you go to bed, so this is a way for you to tap back into yourself. Okay, so today we're going to start. You can use a band, a t-shirt, a towel, something that you can hold on to and has a little bit of give. And you're going to bring the band out. You're going to tuck the tailbone, bring the abs in, and you're just going to bring the arms up slightly and bring them back down. Just pulling on the band, releasing those shoulders. Don't forget to breathe. Trying to just move the arms, keeping the abs nice and tight. Good. 3 more. Just focusing on your breath. That's also going to help you sleep, right? If we focus on our breath, it helps us release the day. Now bring the arms up, and you're going to bend your elbows behind your head and bring them up. And bend and up, really opening up the shoulders, relaxing the neck, pulling in the core. Good. You might feel a little bit of crack, a little cracklage. I know I do. Good. Relaxing those shoulders as you pull down. 3 more. Breathe. Last one. Good. And release. Now you're going to release the band. You're going to shake out the shoulders. I want you to roll the shoulders back nice and slow. Roll them back. Bring them all the way up to the ears. And then bring them down. And bring them up to the ears. And relax them down. One more time. Bring them up to the ears. And relax them down. Good. Now you're going to bring the right ear to the right shoulder. And you're going to extend the left arm down. And then you're just going to do little small circles. The left arm. Releasing the neck, releasing the phone, releasing the emails, releasing the computer, releasing whatever happened at work today, letting it go, and circle the other way. Whatever happened at work, whatever happened with your kids, whatever happened with your family, with your friends, whatever it is, let it go. This is your time to focus on you. And you're going to bring your head forward, release the neck. Round the spine. Focus on your breath. And other side. So you're going to bring your left ear to your left shoulder. You're going to bring the right arm straight down and small circles with the right arm. Small circles. Winding down from your day. Breathe. And circles the other way. Good. And bring your head forward again and round the spine. We're going to do some small cat-cows. So get into a cat pose, bring the pelvis forward, round the shoulders. And then you're going to bring the butt back, chest forward, elbows back. Good. And again, you're going to round the spine, bend the knees, round the shoulders, bring the elbows forward. Gentle on your neck. Inhale, stick the booty out, stick the chest out, pull the abs in, and bring the elbows back. Last time, round the spine. Relax the neck. Breathe. And chest comes forward, butt comes back, head comes back, small bend. Good. And back to neutral spine. And shake out the arms. Bring it down to the floor. Like I said, this is a bedtime routine, so really feel free to do this before you go to bed. Now, something that I have as well is a foam roller. So you would need a foam roller for this. If you don't have a foam roller, get a foam roller. It's the best investment you could make. Now, I'm just going to get on the foam roller for a second. If you don't have a foam roller, I would suggest maybe just doing some free stretching. So doing some cat-cow, bringing your arms up, coming side to side. Really just find some free stretching that you can do while we foam roll it out, okay? So I'm going to bring the foam roller into my lower back, and I'm going to bring my upper back down to the floor. Now my lower back is going to be, or my sacrum is going to be right over the foam roller, and I'm just going to lay right here, and I'm just going to release my lower back. And I'm going to bring my legs to the right, slide, just so I could get the side body, and to the left. Now you can do this without a foam roller. You can literally just lay on your back and bring your legs side to side. All right. Or if you have a block, you can also put a block on the lowest setting underneath your sacrum and do the same thing. So you have options. Good. Now you're going to slowly come back, and you're just going to roll through your back. Bring your arms back. And just really find some mobility here. You can put your hands behind your head to support your neck. And just find the foam roller underneath your shoulders. Release the arms. This might be a little intense depending on the foam roller you have. So just do what feels good. But this is really good at releasing tension, especially before you go to bed. Get that blood flowing. And I just like to come all the way back and just give myself a nice back bend, supported, and then curl. So it's like a cat-cow on the foam roller. So you're bringing the neck back, elbows back, really opening the chest, and rounding the spine. And just find movement. Find movement in the upper back. Just feel those little nooks and crannies where the foam roller can really get to. I could be on this thing all day. Now walk yourself back all the way to your lower back. And bring it all the way back. Good. Now relax one more time. Just let it all go. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Take a deep breath in. Now lion's breath. You're going to stick your tongue out. You're going to sigh it out. So deep breath in. Lion's breath. Stick your tongue out. Sigh it out. One more time. Deep breath in. Stick your tongue out. Sigh it out. One more deep breath. You're going to deep breath in, and then you're going to do a horse's breath. So you're going to flubberize your lips. Inhale. Flubberize your lips. Nice. Now you're going to either come to one side or roll up. So you can get off the foam roller. Slowly come to seated position. We're going to do a little cat-cow seated just to get ourselves back into neutral spine. Taji's watching me while I'm doing my workout. You're going to bring your chest up and round the spine. And up and round. Now you're going to do little circles. So you can really circle. Tuck the tailbone and then really bring the chest out. And other way, circle. Really get free with the movement. Do what feels good. You're tapping into your body before you go to bed. This is so important. This is really going to help you regulate your nervous system, help you tap into your breath, help you release the day. Good, and back to neutral. And we're going to do one last thing. We're going to get into a butterfly leg. So you're going to bring the soles of the feet together, your knees out. Now you can either bring your knees in if you're flexible, or you can bring them out if you're a little less flexible like me. And you're going to bring your elbows to your knees and you're going to try and keep a flat back. All right? So keep that chest forward as if someone's pulling you from your chest. And you're going to bring your knees or your elbows to your knees. You're going to slightly push them down until you can't. And then round the spine. And relax over your legs. Release. 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 Part of the importance of all this is tapping into the silence, tapping into the stillness, tapping into your breath, slowing down your thoughts, letting go of the day, and just slowing down, powering yourself down, giving yourself the opportunity to have the best day tomorrow. Because if you can get a good night's sleep, we all know that makes for a better day. Nice. Now slowly round it back up. And we're going to do one last thing to help with our digestion as we go to bed. We're going to twist. So you're going to bend the left knee. You're going to bring the right leg over the left knee. You're going to bend it. So if you can see me here as well, how I look. So my right knee is over my left knee. And I'm in a bind. You can also have the bottom leg extended. So you can also be here. But I'm going to bind it. And I'm going to make sure that my sits bones are directly on the floor. So they're nice and drilled in. And then I'm going to bring my arm straight up. And I'm going to twist towards my top knee. And we're bringing the arm back. Bring the shoulder down. Bring the knee, the elbow to the knee. And twist. Now you might feel a little gassy, which is good. You might feel a burp come up. Let it out. Really wring yourself like a towel. Envision that you have a string pulling you up so you're nice and straight. And then you're twisting and wringing it out. Wring out that sponge. This is really good for digestion. This is really good to help pass things through, pass your dinner, especially before you go to bed. It always feels good to twist. So it's really important so that your stomach can also get a good night's sleep. Good. One more deep breath. Inhale. Twist a little more. Good. Now we're going to counter twist. Slowly, slowly bring it to the other side. And twist. Counter twist. Good. Now let's do the other side. So we're going to bring the left leg over the right knee. And we're going to make sure our sit bones are directly on the floor. We're going to bring the arms up. Inhale and exhale as you twist towards the top knee. Good. Left arm is down. Your left shoulder is down. And you're twisting through the torso. Really think about twisting through that torso, bringing the belly button in. And breathing. Inhale and exhale, twist. You can do a bind as well. Your left hand can come behind your hip and you can bind it. If you want to twist a little further, relax into the twist. Really wring it out like a towel. One more inhale. And exhale, twist. And slowly come out of it. And counter twist to the right. And release. Good. Now let's shake out. Shake out those legs. Let's bring the arms up and forward. If you can, touch your toes. If you can't, stay at your ankles. You can bend your knees. You can do whatever feels good here. Just a nice forward fold. Letting go of the neck. Shake the head, yes and no. Remember, we're going to bed soon. So you want to release. Release, release, release. Those thoughts that are coming into your mind, just don't judge them. Just let them pass. It's like a river, right? It's just going past. You see it, you don't judge it. Just let it float away. And you focus on the water instead. Ooh, let go, let go, let go. And slowly come back up. And we're going to do one last thing. Because I want to bring some blood flow to the heart. So you're going to lay on your back. You're going to bring your legs up. You're going to bring your arms up. You're going to make sure that you have no space between your lower back and the mat. So your low back is flat and flush on the mat. And you're just bringing your arms and legs up to the sky. This is really great for circulation, especially before you go to bed. This is going to be really good for you. You know, there's a lot of skincare out there. This is some of the best skincare you could ask for. It's really going to bring blood to the brain, fresh blood to the heart. And just breathe. You can wiggle your toes. You can flex and point your feet. Wiggle your fingers. Crack your knuckles. Probably not the best thing for you, but it is something that I do. And really stretch your fingertips. Open those palms and close them like a fist. And then open them. And then close them. And then open them. And then point and flex. And then really straighten out your legs if you can. And then bend your knees. And then straighten them out. Flex your feet. And then bend your knees. And then flex. And hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And bend your knees. Hug your knees in. Bring your legs from side to side. Nice twist. One more time. Just twist nice and slow. And now twist to one side. And bring yourself back up. And you're done. All right, y'all. I hope that helps you get a good night's sleep tonight. Make sure to get lots of water. Maybe drink a nice sleepy time tea. Try to stay off the phone, read a book, and go to bed. Have a good night.